In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list free products on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to declutter your home, pass on items that you no longer need, or simply enjoy rehoming things for free, this guide will walk you through the steps to do just that quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the menu options on the left side of your screen. You might need to click on See More to expand the menu if you can't already see it. This will reveal additional options, and from there you'll find Marketplace. Go ahead and click it. This will bring you to the main Marketplace hub where you can browse, sell, or list items. To start listing an item, look for the Create New Listing button and click on it. You'll be prompted to choose the type of listing you'd like. Here you'll select the appropriate category that suits your item, a simple step that helps users find what you're offering with ease. Now it's time to showcase your item with visuals, so click on Add Photos. High quality, well-lit photos make a significant difference in attracting attention. Next, you need to fill out the title of your listing. Be sure to include relevant details that describe your item effectively but keep it concise. Now you'll need to enter the price for your product. Since you're listing this item for free, you'll naturally input 0 in this field. Following this, you must select a category that best matches your item. Picking the right category is key, as it helps potential interested parties find your item more quickly. The next few steps focus on providing details. Click on Tools and choose Condition to specify whether the item is new or used. Go ahead and describe the condition clearly in the description field as well. Here you can give potential takers an idea about its history, anything unique about it, or reasons why they might want to claim it. If your item has a recognizable brand, type that in. It helps make your listing more informative. You can also type in tags that suit your item. These are keywords that will help people find your item through search. Don't forget to set the availability status, which can help others understand whether the item is available immediately or if they might need to make arrangements. Selecting your approximate location ensures that you're targeting the right local audience. Finally, hit the Next button to review your listing. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. In some cases, you can also choose to share your listing on various groups to reach a wider audience. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to list free products on Facebook Marketplace. Happy listing, and may your items find new homes smoothly.